Hey there guys, what's happening and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, coming to you from the grounds of Laguna Phuket, one of the most exclusive communities on the whole island. Laguna Phuket is spread on more than 4 million square meters of land, with a variety of luxury condominiums, villas, 5-star hotels, and one of the best golf courses in Southeast Asia. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you around this premium community, showing you some of their brand new condominium project, as well as some of their top facilities. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are inside the Laguna Sales Center. Now, Laguna are part of the Banyan Tree group, who are a hospitality group who have hotels all around the world. By the end of this year, they will have more than 100 hotels, some of them being inside the Laguna Phuket complex. Laguna Phuket sits on more than 4 million square meters of land, and it used to be a tin mine. 40 years ago, the owners of Laguna purchased this land and they've been developing it into an integrated luxury resort style community ever since. So now we're going to take a look at a couple of new projects that Laguna are selling at the moment. Garya and Banyan Tree beachfront residences. Now both of these properties are beachfront, which is becoming harder and harder to find here in Phuket. If you do want a beachfront property in Phuket, your options are very, very limited. And what Laguna have on offer are some of the best beachfront condominiums on the whole island. So let's head over to the show units and show you guys around. Okay, so we're going to take a look around a couple of show units now. The first one being the Garya show unit. Now, Garya is a hotel-managed beachfront property with luxury 2-bedroom units starting from around 33 million baht or $1 million US. Let's have a look inside the show unit. Okay, so here we are at the Garya show unit. So this unit is 2 bedrooms, 115 square meters with a large terrace outside. Now we'll go and take a look at the bedrooms in just a second, but let's have a look around the main living area. And as you can see, beautiful furnishings. Everything that you see is included in the price. There is no additional price for furniture, as there are in many of the condominiums here in Phuket. Now, like I said, this is a hotel managed project, which means that essentially the days that you aren't using the unit, it's rented out as a hotel and you get paid the returns at the end of every year. So essentially it's an investment product that gets you a luxury 2-bedroom beachfront apartment as part of the deal. So it's an expansive living area. This nice feature wall at the back is very attractive. So that's the main living space, nice and spacious, and I like the green tones, the green colors as well. Let's have a look around into the guest bedroom. So the guest bedroom here is attached to that powder room with a Jack and Jill door. And we've got a double bed, and then you can see out here onto the patio or onto the balcony outside. And then let's take a look through into the master, which has got a standalone bathtub in the bathroom. A nice large bathroom. Nice grey coloured marble there. A large rain shower. You can see the rain shower at the top with, again, that grey marble. Japanese style toilet. We're seeing more and more of these in Phuket right now. These automated home toilets. And then the main master bedroom overlooking that beautiful terrace. So these units are selling pretty quickly. We closed one not too long ago, actually. And the terrace outside is one of the reasons that they're so popular. Now the ground floor ones, as you can see, you can walk right into the pool outside and then right onto the beach, which is one of the main attractions of this project. It really is absolute beachfront. And with Bang Tao being as popular as it is now, the capital appreciation on this project will be significant. Let's take a look in here through this sliding door back into the main living area. So like I say, everything that you see is included in the price. It has to be this furnishing as it's hotel managed. And one of the benefits or one of the attractions of this project for the buyers is that it's all done for you. So essentially you get a certain number of stays each year. You get 60 days stay each year where you can use the apartment, and you get a paid a return every single year. So it's a great investment product if you just want to park your money somewhere and have a nice beachfront unit as part of the deal. So let's have a look into the other project that they are promoting right now, which is the Banyan Tree Beachfront Residences. So here we are at show unit number 2, the Banyan Tree Beach Residences, SURIN. These are more suitable for long-term living. They're 3-bedroom condominiums that, again, are beachfront, as the name suggests. Now, if you want to come here to live for several months or even permanently, these 3-bedroom condos would be absolutely perfect. They're absolutely huge. They're more than 350 square meters, and they've got private pools overlooking the beautiful Andaman Sea. So let's head inside the show unit. Okay, so here we are inside the show unit for this beautiful condominium. It's very high quality. As you can see, the wooden floors, big kitchen, everything about this unit is bigger than the Garya one. If you do want to come and live in Phuket, like I said, for several months or even permanently, this would be a much better option. They're much bigger. You could easily live in here with a family. There's 3 bedrooms, and as you can see, the living area is expansive. Over here, we've got a nice TV area. Round the back there, we've got a large dining table that seats 6 people. Let's have a look over in the kitchen. We've got that island at the front with the hob at the end. We've got a big double fridge and, of course, the wine cooler. Now, there is a bedroom at the back that we'll show you in just a second. But for now, let's focus on the front of the property and head outside. And you can see they've put a mock sea view outside. And the terrace is quite expansive. As you can see, over this side, we've got a barbecue and sink area overlooking that sea view infinity pool. Now, obviously, they haven't put water in there right now, but you can imagine what the view is going to look like from that picture. Again, we've got a nice little dining table outside. We've also got an outdoor shower over there and a couple of sun lounges. Now we can also enter from the master bedroom, but let's cut back around this way through the same way we came out and give you guys another shot of that beautiful large living space. Like I say, if you have a family here in Phuket, This is more than big enough. So the master is here on the front. As you can see, we've got the double bed overlooking that amazing sea view and overlooking the side of the pool as well. I'm sure it's going to be even better with the real thing. And then we've got a large walk-in wardrobe through here. Plenty of room to store his and her clothes. A beauty table down here. And then a very, very elegant, well-done bathroom with a standalone bathtub. Large toilet room. And of course, a large, large shower unit as well. So here in the show unit, they've only included one bedroom, but in the real units, the 2 bedrooms are at the back here. But we can see, as we're moving around, there's another powder room, a small bathroom here. And what's also nice about these units is they have a second kitchen, an Asian kitchen where you can cook things like fish and all the spicy food and close this door so it doesn't get too smelly. That's pretty common in a lot of Asian apartments and a lot of Asian houses. They will have 2 kitchens. One of them, like I say, for the smelly food and one for the not so smelly. So yeah, in the actual unit, the other 2 bedrooms will be back here. So there you have it, guys. That is the Banyan Tree Beach Residences. Absolutely beautiful, large living condominiums. So there you have a couple of Laguna projects that are available off-plan or pre-construction. Now let's go and have a look at something that's already finished. We're going to go over to a project called Angsana Oceanview. So here we are at Angsana Oceanview. Now this building has recently been completed and another 2 buildings will be completed very soon. And the unit that we're going to look at today is a 2-bedroom penthouse apartment with private pool and sea views. Let's head inside. Okay, so let's take a look inside this penthouse apartment here at Angsana Oceanview. So this apartment is 305 square meters. It's got a fully fitted kitchen at the back with a nice stylish marble island. Upstairs, where we're going to go in just a second, has got a private pool with a beautiful sea view. But let's first have a look around the main living space. So we've got a nice dining table there, an L-shaped sofa, and a little TV area overlooking this lagoon. And at the back there, as you'll see as we move outside, we've got ocean views right at the back. Now the building to the left, these are the 2 buildings that are going to be finished by the end of this year. Okay, so if you're wanting something that is brand new, you can see these 2 buildings are well on their way. But it's a little bit loud, so let's head back inside and shut that door, which, as you can see, offer pretty good soundproofing, right? So that's the main living area. Let's have a look through to the master bedroom. So we've got that nice, again, view of the lagoon outside, and you can see the ocean over there just past the lagoon. We've got a large bathroom here at the back, and I love the finishing. The brown coloring, this big circular standalone bathtub. And again, you can still see that lagoon out the window there from the bathtub. We've got a his and her sink. And then again, around the side here, we've got the toilet and the shower around here. So a big shower unit as well. So let's take a look to the second bedroom, and then I'll show you without doubt the pièce de résistance of this unit, which is the rooftop pool. So here we have our second bedroom, which has got a large walk-in wardrobe. This adjoins to the bathroom. And again, we've got beautiful views of the lagoon outside. We've set up in this one with 2 single beds overlooking that beautiful lagoon. And again, we've got gorgeous ocean views. So we're up on the 6th floor here. This is a top floor penthouse unit. And let's have a look on the very top floor where we're going to see the private pool. So here we are up on the 2nd floor of the penthouse. You can see we've got a small kitchen area there. It's actually being used to store the cushions so they don't get wet, but there's a barbecue, a fridge, and a sink in there. We've got a couple of nice lounges and that gorgeous private pool with lagoon and sea views. Down there we've got a sunken seating area as well, perfect for evening drinks. And you can see, like I say, those 2 buildings are going to be finished at the end of the year, and there are still units left for sale in those buildings. So there you have it, guys. That was Laguna Phuket, one of the most exclusive communities on the whole island, with some of the best beachfront property options available right now. Now, if you are interested in getting more information about Laguna or any of the other properties that you've seen on this channel, you know what to do. You can reach out to us using our links that are on the screen right now. They're also in the video description. With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.